Hey folks, and welcome to week number 10. As I said last week, this is going to be an extremely tight week. We've got two deadlines here, Thursday and Monday. So by Thursday, what do you need to do? Watch the video. That's good. Complete your research answers. So that is the green and orange parts of your uh, research question template from last week. Okay, and submit them to the research answer folder. If you're having any trouble, do this early. Go to Course Home and you can click on the Ask a Librarian button. I think I detailed that in the very beginning video for the course. But if you go to Course Home, you'll see the Ask a Librarian button, and you can, during business hours, live chat with the librarians who can help you out. Once you feel like you have a good understanding of your research answers, watch the video on introductory paragraphs. That's right here. And go ahead and write your introductory paragraph and submit it to this Dropbox. Okay, that's by Thursday. It's a very busy, tight turnaround. Okay, now by Monday, April 2nd, look for feedback on your research answers and look for feedback on your intro paragraph. Okay, review citation basics down here and write your essay 3 draft and submit it. Peer review is next week. Okay, like I said, it's a very tight turnaround. It's going to be a very busy week. There's not a whole lot of other ways I can do it and give you guys time to kind of work through the research process. So if you have questions, don't hesitate to let me know. I will be glad to help.